If you're looking for the best CRM for small teams, you've probably come across Teamgate and Agile CRM. But which one is actually better? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which CRM fits your needs, and I'll also reveal a better alternative that most people overlook. Teamgate is designed for simplicity, focusing on sales teams that want an easy-to-use pipeline management system. Agile CRM, on the other hand, offers a mix of sales, marketing, and customer service tools. But here's the thing, having more features doesn't always mean a better experience. Next thing, *** ease of use. *** Teamgate is more intuitive. If your team hates complicated software, they'll appreciate the clean interface. Agile CRM, while feature-rich, has a steeper learning curve. It tries to do everything, which can make it overwhelming, especially for small teams that need speed and efficiency. Another big factor, *** automation. *** Agile CRM gives you more flexibility with automated workflows, email sequences, and even marketing automation. Teamgate is more limited in this area, focusing mostly on sales automation. So if your team relies heavily on marketing automation, Agile CRM has the edge here. Then there's pricing. Teamgate is transparent and scales well with small teams, while Agile CRM has a free plan but quickly gets expensive as you add more users and need premium features. The real question is, do you need all those extra features, or are you paying for things your team will never use? Support is another issue. Agile CRM's customer service has mixed reviews, with slow response times and limited support on lower-tier plans. Teamgate is smaller, but offers more responsive support. For a small team, this can be a game changer. So, both CRMs have strengths and weaknesses, but after testing them, I found an alternative that's even better for small teams, more intuitive, powerful, and without the frustrating limitations. If you want the best CRM for your small team, check out the first link in the description. You'll get an exclusive free trial and special benefits only available to our viewers. Try it out, you'll see the difference immediately.